Hi, this is James Shrug with Westpac London's end of day report for Tuesday, August the 21st. Look, again, a very quiet day in terms of economic news. We had some very minor figures out of Canada, figures showing a budget deficit in the latest month of July. In the UK, normally you'd see a surplus in the month of July, but company tax receipts were down, partly because of problems in the North Sea, which meant that associated tax revenues were down. But also it's clear that the slow economy is hitting the budget numbers, and it's going to be tough for the government to achieve its full-year fiscal objective. We also had a sharply weaker industrial trends survey for August, published by the CBI here in the UK. But that was it. There's just ongoing speculation about what's happening in these various meetings. We've got the Greeks meeting with EU officials tomorrow. Then we've got Francois Hollande and Angela Merkel involved later in the week, with the ultimate result probably being some sort of relaxation of the austerity plans for Greece. More time for them to cut their budget deficit. That's at least what the Greeks are hoping for, but no word yet, as I said yesterday. The European Central Bank's plans, no fresh word there in terms of what sort of bond operation they might put in place, even whether it's going to be announced in September or not. I mean, there's nothing more to say. So I'll just give you the numbers. The French market, but as opposed to yesterday where markets were softer on the basis of this sort of lack of news and these stories, today they're a bit more optimistic. The FTSE in London up 0.5% today, the French market up 1%, the Germans are up 0.75%, the Spanish market only managed 0.1%, but the Italian market up 2% today. Now, this is just around 3:30 in the afternoon in London, so another hour or so of trade to go. This is an early end of day. With the Dow trading for about an hour or so now, it's up 0.33%. We did have the Atlanta Fed President, Lockhart, make some comments. He basically said that there is a danger that you try to do too much with monetary policy and that it can actually be counterproductive when really other elements of policy should be used. I think what he's saying there is that the Fed can't fix the US economy by itself. There's a lot more work that Congress needs to do. In terms of commodity markets, we've got gold prices up 1% today at $1,641 an ounce. Oil is up 1.5%, $97.45 a barrel, and copper prices are up 2.4% at 345 cents a pound. The Aussie dollar is a little bit stronger too. We've had the minutes of the Reserve Bank's meeting in August, Tuesday Sydney time. Equity market sentiment's modestly positive, commodities are a bit higher, and the Aussie dollar is back at 1.05 against the US dollar. We've got the Westpac leading index coming out Wednesday Sydney time, and that's it on the local calendar. And that's it for me today.